How are you around having sex during your menstrual cycle these days, perhaps compared to how you were before?
To have sex on my period was not a problem for me before I started with Tantra. And I would say it's even less of a problem now. Because honestly, I don't think there is anything wrong with it. You just take the right precautions, wash yourself before. Maybe you can even buy these sponges, these like tampons that you put in that soak up the blood while you're having sex, so there's not so much mess. Use a towel, use squirt sheets to protect the bed. Have sex in the shower. I don't know. So personally, has not changed much for me with Tantra. But I think some women who come to workshops who had a lot of shame on it before, just the fact that they get completely relaxed around sex in general, they also relax around, having their period. Yeah.